everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy Halloween! It's not Halloween yet, but apparently Halloween is a season now, so it is spooky season, and that's why I'm wearing my skeleton shirt, and to add to the effect, I'm not wearing any makeup today. So, clearly we're doing some arts and crafts, and clearly it has something to do with Halloween. My boyfriend and I are going to a Halloween-themed rave, and I am somewhat making our costumes. We are going as Lilo and Stitch, so this is me as Lilo, and this is going to be Stitch. And then I've got some fleece and felt, and I'm also going to be making Stitch's ears. That's the supplies. I also have this tablecloth here so that I don't make a mess, or I don't make more of a mess than I already would. I'm also using E6000 because it makes my life easier. So yeah, I mean, that's about it. I have help coming right now. Oh my god, I have like 2 people coming right now, and this is totally not planned. I don't know, maybe I'll get some help. Yeah, I think that's it. So let's get started. Because I'm using Sharpie, I don't want to draw directly on the felt, so I'm just gonna use pieces of cardboard to draw whatever shapes I need first, which is totally an extra step that you don't need to do, but I'm doing it because I like to think that I'm crafty, but not really. Did you notice I have a live model with me? Sorry, I didn't mean to grab you there. Okay, I think I'm ready to cut this out. Oh my god. Okay, this isn't working. Oh my god, why am I already sweating? Oh my god. Oh! I did it! Okay, I'm gonna trace it on the back. Ooh, I'm not gonna trace it on the shirt though. Oh my god, why am I such a mess? I'm beginning to realize that this cardboard is kind of pointless because I'm pretty much freehanding it now. Oh wow. That's great. Yeah, okay, scratch the whole cardboard idea because I ain't even using it right now. Ooh, I'm going in. Oh! Help is on the way! You wanna come say hi? Wow, look at
you. You're crafting.
I know, I'm so crafty. This is grand DIY Master Joy.
I better stay in this video. Don't cut me out.
I'm gonna put that in. Wow, look! Wow, look! Oh my god, it kind of looks like Stitch. Holy shit, oh my god, sorry. I got really excited for a minute. Wow, it's so soft! Sorry. Okay, so now we're doing the back. I'm just gonna freehand it because I don't want to do the cardboard thing anymore. That was too much all my life. Oh, she's here! I have more people! Why am I so popular today? All my friends are here. I'm just using you. I know you are. Okay, so I'm finally gluing something down. Oh, I should read the instructions.
Oh my god, don't freeze out too much because if you...
Directions. Read directions and test. Wow, the directions say read directions.
Dry. You can peel it off.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate this. Okay, so I had a bit of a
Accident.
freak out earlier, but I'm cool. I'm cool, fine, calm now. So I have to move on to Lilo right now because I gotta wait for the Stitch one to dry. I almost said drive. To dry. I'm gonna draw out my leaf. I need a picture of it.
You need a picture of a leaf to draw a leaf?
Yes. Okay, I need a picture of a leaf to draw a leaf.
You don't know what a leaf looks like?
No, I don't know what a leaf looks like. I feel attacked right now, okay? Because of my leaf. Like, what? What
zoom
is,
in. Iris will zoom in on that leaf.
What is so, no, I can zoom in, like, I can, what, it's not that bad, but these one, two, three artists over here are criticizing me because of my leaf. Wow, like, this is any better than mine.
Okay, gotta trust the process.
Y'all are just hating on my leaf.
Oh my god, you should cut that still and then we can find
Yeah,
which one
yeah.
that you made that's on your shirt.
No,
Oh, good one.
no, it's okay.
When you like
No, no,
It's like Easter egg.
no,
Yeah.
no, you know, because it's gonna drive me crazy.
You
Because
go up to people like, hey, guess
No.
which I cut out. Which one I designed.
No, because that's gonna drive my OCD crazy. Okay, that there's one leaf that's not like the others. Nah. Okay, thank you, Joy, for cutting out my leaf. It's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna make these leaves and I'll be right back.
And then by the time they're back, it's dark.
I know. While we still have some daylight here, I have one leaf cut out.
9 more to go.
Update. I folded my fabric in half because it's gonna take too long if I cut them all individually. So this way I can get 2, 4, 6, maybe 8. Right? You're supposed to say yeah.
Yes.
Is this me losing my mind? What was I thinking if I could do this myself? That's funny. Hey y'all, this is Michelle, by the way. I'm sorry this isn't more of a formal video and you're just kind of...
I'm like slaving away from you.
No, you're not.
I can't watch you do this anymore. What happened?
They came apart. Hi everyone. It is day 2. I honestly didn't think this project was going to take me that long, but here we are. Yesterday I finished Stitch's shirt and I finished cutting out the leaves that are going on Lilo's dress. That took me longer than it should have. So that's pretty much the gist of all that happened yesterday. I am going to finish today, but I'm not going to be able to try anything on until tomorrow because E6000 needs at least 24 hours to dry. So this is going to be a 3-day journey. Last night I also cut out Stitch's ears, but I had to find out the best way to attach the ears to the headband. My boyfriend suggested using wire, which in theory would have worked if I had some sort of thinner and more malleable wire. What I did have was those wire hangers you get from the dry cleaners. So I sort of like fashioned these, I want to say like outlines for the ears, but I don't think they're gonna work because A, it's kind of too heavy, and B, I don't really know the best solution for attaching these to the headband without it being so chunky and clunky. When I just kind of like held it there with my fingers, I just felt like it's really unstable. So instead, I fashioned these cardboard cutouts. I don't know how well this is gonna stay, but for now, it's staying as I'm shaking it. But honestly, I'm pretty proud of myself. I am not a super crafty person, and I'm kind of sad that this is not gonna work out because I freaking made these out of a wire hanger and I had no wire cutter. I just used a pair of scissors that I probably ruined, and then I just like bent it to make it break where I wanted it to. I kind of don't want to throw this away. I want to like save it for another project because I made these with my bare hands. I am really excited to finish today. I'm really excited for the end product. I am going to do Lilo's dress first. And I also kind of want to do a little tail for Stitch's shirt, so I guess I'm not really done with that yet. That's the plan for today. I'm all alone today. Yesterday, Joy and her sister Iris and Michelle were here, so it feels kind of lonely today. They helped a lot, so thanks guys. Okay, so I am done with the front part of the shirt. I'm gonna put this aside and give it a minute before I flip it to the back. So I'm moving on to the ears right now. For the ears, it's gonna be kind of hard to see because it's a little more detail work. Michelle helped me with the template, and basically she drew it a little longer than it's intended to be, so that I'll have this little extra fabric at the bottom, which I'm going to glue underneath the headband. I'm coming on here to say that I basically had to scrap almost the entire process of me making these ears because A, it is super boring and I don't know why I filmed myself doing this, and B, I put a freaking Starbucks cup right in the view of me making these ears, so you can't see anything. Good job, me. Anyway, I'm sorry about the inconsistencies, and let's get on with the rest of the video. I'm just gonna leave this, and I'm gonna go back to my Lilo shirt. Huh? Oh my god, that was a really weird sound. Look, it's kind of coming together. Okay, so I'm done with the back, and I've officially run out of daylight, so sorry about the lighting. So now I'm going back to the ears. I just have to glue them together to stabilize it. Cool. I'm honestly most excited for these ears. I hope, please work out. Please just stay. All you have to do is last less than 24 hours. Oh god, how do I flip this but while making the least impact? Okay. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna let this dry for a bit while I go walk my dog because he's bored. While I go walk my dog because he's bored out of his mind. Oh, ow! Oh my god, I don't want to pick them up, but can you see? Can you see? Oh no, I don't want to pick it up. Oh my god. Okay. What? Okay, there. Oh my god. Okay, so I just glued the pinks of the ears. I just gotta wait for this baby to dry. I kind of figured out a way how to do the tail, which is I basically sew 2 pieces of fabric together, flip it inside out, stuff it, and then sew it onto the shirt. Cool! Oh no, where's the end of this thread? Yeah. Oh my god, it's gonna fall off. No. Yeah, it's because I sewed it. pretty much on there. Put this needle before I poke myself with it. Not that I haven't already. Oh, ah! Oh my god, why is it so cute? Oh my goodness. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, so that is a wrap on, I want to say the final day, because I mean it pretty much is the final day. I'm just gonna double check everything, if anything needs more glue, and we get to try them on tomorrow. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know what to do with myself. Hi everyone. It is day 3 and the final day of this epic journey. I have finally given these costumes enough time to rest, so we're ready to try them on. I'm just gonna be trying both of them on because I'm by myself right now, but I just can't wait anymore. Like I said, it's been 3 days. I really did not expect for it to take this long, and I would just like to take this moment to thank Joy and Michelle. Who was I kidding in thinking that I could do this all by myself? So thank you guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. Okay, I'm coming in. I haven't seen what it looks like. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! Yo, that looks pretty legit. I am so proud. Sorry, I'm not touching my boobs. I'm touching the fleece. Wow, it's so soft. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I'm kind of speechless. Wow. This is pretty legit. Like, come on. Ha! Okay, now I have to go try on Stitch. Okay. Oh my god! Oh wait, let me get rid of this. Yeah, if you're wondering what this is for, this thing, I glued it on here so that if he doesn't want to wear the ears, he could just like put it around his neck or something. Oh my god! So proud. This was even softer. Oh my god, I just want to like hug myself. And look at the back. I don't know, can you see? Can you see the back? And I have a little tail! Ah! Oh! Do I kind of look like a glorified bunny? It's okay, it'll work next to the Lilo. You know what I mean? You can't do Stitch without Lilo, and you can't do Lilo without Stitch. I am so proud of what my friends and I can accomplish. And I'm just rubbing myself now. Okay, so I am officially ending the video here. But yeah, I hope you guys have a happy Halloween. Be safe, be happy, keep it spooky, all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a long one. If you're still here, thanks for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all later. Bye! There's no place I'd rather be than on the surfboard out at sea. Wiggling in the ocean blue. I surfed in the sunsets beyond the horizon. La 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 la.